Pasadena City Hall was originally built in 1927. It was part of the Civic Center master plan at that time. Along that same line, the library, Central Library, was built, and also the Pasadena Civic Auditorium. City Hall is the anchor of the Civic Center. It stood for more than 80 years here in the Civic Center, and since that time we've added a courthouse, police station, and other auxiliary offices in the Civic Center. There was new technology upgrades added to the council chambers when the building was renovated in April of 2007. In adding technology to the room, there were several things that were done, including an entire removal and replacement of the ceiling, and also some parts of the raised dais that we're sitting on. And that allowed for all of the wiring, conduit, cables that support the technology infrastructure to go in.
The top three goals for the City of Pasadena was really to simplify the system, make it easy to use, automate it, and then bring it up into the 21st century. The building we're in is over 100 years old, and everything before had been piecemealed, and it was very difficult to operate the system. And the City Council chamber is used for a variety of functions, from planning meetings to neighborhood meetings to City Council meetings. And what the city was looking for was a very easy to use system that's icon driven. Really anyone could come in and run and operate the system.
At each of the council dais position, each of the council members have at their fingertips one of the AMX 7-inch Madero screens in front of them. With that screen, they're able to mute and unmute their microphones, choose between displaying the video and or the presentation that's before them, or to go into a PC mode. The PC mode would then allow them to go back to the city's intranet system, access the meeting agenda and the actual document that's being presented itself. Also, they have the ability to request permission to speak, in which they will be placed in a queue and recognized by the mayor when it's their turn to speak. And then finally, they have the ability to vote on a particular item by use of the touchscreen panel. In addition, there are two larger Madero AMX touchscreens that are available for the city clerk and the assistant city clerk at the council meetings to control the flow of the meeting. It allows you to change what's being presented to the audience. You can differentiate between what's being shown to council members. It also allows you to set up to take the tally of the vote. It allows you to also turn on and off the lighting in the room. Everything in the room is basically controlled from that touchscreen panel.
As far as the historical integrity of this room, it was impossible for us to locate a broadcast operator in this room. So off-site, we've got a control room, and all of this equipment is being controlled by the NI 4100, which is really the brains of the whole system. And through that system, they can control anything in this room and switch anything from an off-site facility, which really keeps the integrity of this room and makes it easier to use. Maintaining the integrity of this room being so important to the Historical Society, City of Pasadena, and Hoffman Video, we were able to do this and keep it all together by using an off-site system and using AMX.
In the past, the audience were not able to participate in the meetings because the presentations were geared toward City Council. Now we're able to easily do that with the use of a document camera, or they could do a PowerPoint presentation and disseminate the same information.
As far as the reason why Hoffman decided to partner with AMX on this project, not only the importance of getting it done on time, AMX is the only company right now that offers a complete solution from equipment to software to on-site technical help. AMX was able to provide a solution that's supported, it's sold on a daily basis, and it works.